Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders Anthony here, looking at the dollar index on the daily time frame. So what we can see here is this rounded base forming. We have these higher lows, higher highs, and it looks to me like we could be in for a reversal setting up. The thing that you want to be careful of with this is, grab my pencil. So we've got these relative equal lows here. And let me just go down to a 4-hour chart. We'll get a bit closer to this. What I'm looking for is mark it up with something like this, almost to the pip. Okay, so this is an accumulation phase, in my opinion. And the thing that you want to watch out for will be where this takes out this low. And then we start to see a bit of a trend forming like that. So I think I'm going to be sitting back waiting for this, see how this shapes up. And then the opportunity to get involved will be as we trade out of this liquidity run under here. Okay, so generally, in a trend reversal, we'll see it dip down, take out previous lows. We just have a look at it on the daily. I want to see it take out this previous low here. So it's already had a strong bearish move here. Then this higher low, relative equal lows here, and yeah, that's the kind of thing that I'm looking for with this at the moment. And if that happens, then I think we could be in for quite a nice outcome. My target will be, we've got these highs. This is the daily time frame. I'd be looking at eventually, something like that. Love to see these highs taken out and then continuation. So if the stock markets tank, I think we could expect a strong dollar, definitely. And, getting in early on a move like this with a swing trade opportunity gives us a chance then to capitalize on this and build on our position. So we get in early. If this shapes up, let's have a look at this long position. Let's just say these lows, we take those out, we get in with a higher low here, something like this. This is a big move here, and I'd be interested in jumping in early, keeping these positions running and hold on to them, let this run. And build on these positions, as this trades up. So we just keep adding to the position. So that's the plan of attack with the DXY. I'll be looking at the dollar pairs, the euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. There'll be opportunities on the currency pairs if this shapes up. So we'll keep an eye on this. I'll be revisiting this idea. I just want to see how this trades around these lows over the next week, and then we could be in for a swing trade opportunity. So stay tuned, and we'll revisit this. By the way, guys, click the link below, join my free Telegram group. Have a look at the other link, We Trade Your Forex account. I'm uploading a new video on that page as we speak. Okay, so I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.